Well, folks, I got donated a little piece of training equipment, I guess. It's an analog digital trainer. It's a model XK-525, made by Elinco, or put out by Elinco. And basically, I'm going to show you the insides of it. From what I can tell, this thing was sold as a kit that you had to build from scratch. So I guess yeah, let's have a peek. So it's old by the looks of it. It needs a cleaning, it's dusty and whatnot. But I found a manual for a newer version of this one. Basically, I'm pretty sure it's all the same type of functions and whatnot. So you got your two breadboards, your power supply here, your logic indicators, logic switch, data switches over here. You got your voltages and whatnot. I still don't know anything about this thing as of yet. Waveform, course, frequency, fine adjustment, amplitude, DC offset. As you can see, it was made by Elinco Precision. It was a kit that you assembled yourself, from what I could tell of it online. But this one is loose. It did have a voltmeter here that I took out. Little, I didn't like the way it was wired in there. It was fire hazard for a start, so I took it out. So it looks like you had, you could put some tools in here if you wanted to. Not sure how you would strap the tools in there from going everywhere. So there's a little lip here, so I guess there was a kind of like a flap or something, I guess, that come down over your tools here. The only thing I can figure. This precision here, this position was for a voltmeter, as far as I know. A couple test leads and stuff, and had a little pocket here. I'm not sure what was in that. Probably little connectors or little jumper wires or whatever, I would think. But yeah. So that's the top of it. I don't know if anybody out there has this particular unit, the model XK-525 analog digital trainer. But if you got if you have it, you got to share a bit of information on it. It'd be nice. Anyways, let's take a look at her on the other side and see what she's like on the bottom of this thing. See how she's wired up. Okay, so we have the guts of the unit here. First thing I noticed, they have a board just flopping around in here. It has feet of such, and it was taped down, two-way sided tape, to keep the board in place. But it seems to have come clear. So you got a bunch of voltage regulators on the sides here. Yeah. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to spend a bit of time with this and see if I can't rewire this a little bit. And we got jumper wires with tape here. You've got two wires tied together, taped, and going down there. And there's AC line in. More tape. Yeah. But FREE, can't complain about free. Free is always good. So yeah, I'm gonna spend a bit of time, I think, and rebuild this. It looks like a lot of the wire used in this is solid core. Seems like it's solid core wire by the looks of it. Good bit of this, except for what's on transformer, that seems to be stranded wire. But everything else here seems to be solid core. And solid core is known to break easily. I've yet to power this thing up. At the moment, I just kind of don't trust it. I mean, like, no heat shrink on it at all. I don't know. I'm getting close to the. Here we go. Like, you know. Would you trust this? Yep. I guess never had no insulating material here, so they end up using electrical tape to try and insulate the transistor from the case here. Interesting. Plastic tape will melt with heat. But anyways, little project I suppose. I'm going to clean this thing up over a few videos. Not sure when I'm going to start it. It's like any other project, it kind of sits to the side. Like the crossband repeater. Still there. Done the video on it there last winter, and I haven't as much as even powered it up since the last video. Shocking. But a couple scopes. I like them. Anyways, the bench over there is I'm working on a. I don't know if you can see it or not. That box there was a charger, or working on a charger to charge a battery. A circuit I found online. Charging circuit don't seem to work that great, so I kind of, you know, gave up on it for now. And we come to this critter. But anyways, there we have it. Anyways, let me hear your thoughts on this thing. Should I try and rebuild this? Give me some comments down below. Let me think what you thinks. Should I rewire this thing? And that's every single wire. Anyways, let me know.